How to add company email in Outlook. Okay guys, if you're using your personal domain, or if you want to add your company or personal email ID in Outlook, you can easily add. So here I'm going to show you how can add your personal or your personal domain email ID in Outlook. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so if you are first time adding email in Outlook, so just open the Outlook application. So I have already added my two Gmail ID here. One is Hotmail, one is the Gmail. So it is look like this. But if you first time going to add the email ID in Outlook, so you will see the pop-up. Okay, when you click new, so here if you're first time opening the Outlook and trying to connect the email ID, then you can see like this window. Okay, now here you have to add the new email ID, your company or business email ID. Now go to the advanced and click on let me set up my account manually. Now we need to click on connect. Okay, so under connect we need to click on I am AP, and here you have to find your incoming mail server and outgoing mail server and portal and port. Okay, so just go to the your webmail or what so you go to the your uh, host provider, web host provider, and go to the webmail. Under the webmail you will see the incoming mail. You have to find the incoming mail and outgoing mail. Incoming mail and outgoing mail link is the same, but here you have to change incoming mail port and outgoing mail port. Okay, so go to the your webmail and find out your server details and uh, copy paste your incoming mail, then change the port. Okay, you will see everything in your server in your webmail. Now here you have to change in ISTSL TLS. Here you have to enter your outgoing mail and outgoing mail server, then change the port. Also here you have to choose the SLTTS and just click on next. After you click on next, your account will be added your Outlook, and you will see your account here in your left side, or you will see the account which is added in here. Okay, in email you will see your added account. Okay, so just find out your outgoing and incoming server and port in your webmail and just put in this section. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.